Basically, this is my sister. She has told you what has happened at that time. She has told you all the people involved in this at that time was myself, my sister, and my mother, all for spiritual stuff. I put my hand on this to say my brothers have got nothing to do with this whatsoever. My younger brothers are getting interrogated for no reason. If you are a Muslim, you will believe this. This is all a joke from Madani side to demand money from me. This is all a money-making scheme. This guy is a joker. This person, before leaving the house, said to me, I will show you who I am and what I can do. Madani, you have proven what you can do. I don't know who behind you, but you have shown a very good way of getting my family arrested, harassed, mentally tortured. I have to bring my family here. Yes, I did hit him. I'm not going to deny that from him. I did attack him. I did attack Madani. Before he left, I was not in my sense, my blood boiled. I'm not one of these people who's going to watch these jokers do stuff like this. I do not trust any person with a beard now. You know, I think they're all fake. You want money? I'll show you proof. Madani says he got kidnapped. How can I kidnap somebody who's come with his own will? He's had a very good meal, costing me 9,000 rupees. He's gone to my house. He's had some nice. He demanded a laptop. He's got a laptop. How can he be? If somebody got kidnapped, it was me. Because he said to me, I've got security problems, so jump into my car and I will take you in my car. I said, fine, no problem. So I directed him. If somebody's going to kidnap somebody, I'm not going to take him to my house. This is rubbish. You know, if somebody wants to kidnap somebody, they do it with a weapon. You can go to Ajwa restaurant and check all CCTV cameras. Please, I want the people in charge of Karye police station who are unlawfully been arrested as from Karye. The FIR has gone from Lahore to Karye, from Karye to Lahore. I do not know what is going on.